Today, let's build a Vanquish Phoenix Portal kit and get it out on the rocks in the fastest way that I know how. Honestly, this kit goes together really smoothly. The instructions are well laid out. What you guys saw was over the course of a couple of weeks just because of working outside in the yard, work schedule, etc. I did not hook up the selectable overdrive or the dig on the VFD twin transmission. I do have a servo and all the linkage to put in for the dig. I'm not going to run the selectable overdrive. That doesn't interest me. This is a trail truck, not a rock crawler, so I don't need to be able to shift into 21% plus of overdrive. I am going to do the dig. I just wanted to get the thing out and driving because I was excited to drive it. What I'm using for electronics in this truck is the Hobbywing Fusion 2300 kV for the motor ESC combo. It has a Hobby Park 45 kg servo. I've been using Hobby Park servos for a little while now. I get them off Amazon. The one that I use for steering in the Optic and this one has 621 ounce-inches of torque. They are waterproof, metal case, metal gears. They're coreless, they're fully programmable, and they are far less expensive than the popular servos. For the radio, I'm using my FlySky G11P. Tires, I'm just using the stock tires that came with the truck. They're licensed Falcon Wild Peak in the really soft compound. Forgive me, but I don't remember what Vanquish calls that. The wheels I got in the Trucks of Fortune box. They were a Wheels of Fortune pack, and they are the limited edition wine color. You cannot buy these. In the front, I've got huge brass steering knuckles that add a ton of weight to the front. That's enough talking. Let's go get on the rocks.